Friends, today we are going to discuss about how to measure the flow using rotameter and ultrasonic sensors. So here you can see the ultrasonic flow meter, and this is a panel for displaying the various parameters in ultrasonic flow meter measurement. So let us see what are the different equipments we require. First we will require supply tank. So here you can see this is a supply tank. Then pressure indicating scale. The pressure indicating scale is indicated over this rotameter. Okay. Then pump. So you will require a pump. This is a pump. Then control valves. This one valve, simple open and close valve is there, and another valve is given over here. This is a close control valve. So you can operate this in this way. This is a rotameter. So here you can see a rotameter and ultrasonic sensor pair. So this is a transmitter and receiver sensor pair, ultrasonic sensor pair. Here you can see in the rotameter, float is installed in vertical tube whose diameter gradually widens towards the top, and measured substance flows vertically around the float. Okay. So let's have a close look towards this kit, that is ultrasonic flow measurement kit. This is known as UFM 2000M trainer kit. So this ultrasonic flow meter basically designed to measure the fluid velocity of liquid within a closed conduit. So transducers are non-contacting type, clamp on type, and it will provide benefits of non-falling operation and easy installation. This kit also, this UFM 2000M is a transit time flow meter which utilizes two transducers, and it functions as both ultrasonic transmitter and receiver. And transmitters are clamped on the outside of a closed pipe, as here you can see on a closed pipe. This ultrasonic transmitter is indicated, and having specific distance we have kept this receiver on hold, so we can detect the waves transmitted by this ultrasonic transmitter, and transducer can be mounted in V method. Okay, let's have a general specification look. General specification are, this kit will require mains 230 volt AC supply. So from here we will do AC supply 230 volt 50 Hz, and stainless steel water storage tank. This is a water storage tank having capacity of 20 liters. Okay, half HP mono block pump. This is a half HP pump. Okay, having inlet outlet connections. If you talk about the technical specifications, so ultrasonic transmitter and receiver sensor pair, as you have seen, that sensor is having magnet for holding with pipe. Then this is a programmable digital flow indicator. It is fully programmable, user friendly and microcontroller based, and having 84/2 line LCD display with backlight, having 4 keyboards. So here you can see these are the 4 keys: menu, upward, selection key and enter key. So ultrasonic sensor pair driving circuitry is also inbuilt there. Then 24 volt DC at 50 milliampere operation. It's having user programmable parameter storage in non-volatile memory, having optically isolated serial interface with programmable protocols, and facility for data acquisition as well. And this rotameter is kind of glass tube rotameter having flow range from 0 to 1000 liter per hour. Okay. Now we will see what precaution we need to take while performing this experiment. You have to ensure some points, that main supply is 230 volt 50 Hz. Then storage tank is filled with full clean water. Bypass valve is open and flow control valve is closed or slightly open, and the trainer is leveled and conveniently placed. Okay, so this closed control valve must be closed initially, and the tank valve must be open in the initial stage. So let's have a close look of how experimental procedure is to be carried out. So open the bypass valve. So this is the bypass valve.